Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a few things you can do on CapCut PC. This is like good for beginners. So the first one I'll be showing is that you can zoom in and zoom out here. So add a keyframe here and then for instance zoom in to this area. You can even add in like a keyframe animation. So show variable speed animation. Select the keyframe and then add in like a curve to make it a little bit more smoother, something like that. You can add keyframes to colorize it. You can add effects here, so you can add the effect here. For instance, you want it to go from blur to not blurry, or you can add in like edge glow here as well, like that. And you can add in video transitions. So for instance, you're going to another video here. Let me just hide this first. You can add in a video transition here as well. You can do a lot with this app. Just play around with it. You can add filters and you can mask videos as well. I'm not going to do a full tutorial though, because like it's gonna take like an hour and more maybe. Here I'll show you the mask real quick. You can mask this into a bunch of shapes as well. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!